Okay, so volume of revolution here with this, when we integrate this between 0 and pi by 4, it's pi y squared. Of course, you need to square this, so what I would do is recognize the fact that you're squaring the whole thing, right? Okay, so you could write the square here, and that would result in this one in double brackets. You've got to do FOIL, don't forget, right? Really important you remember that. Don't just square each term, you've got to do FOIL in a double bracket. So then when you do FOIL in here, first 5 times 5 is 25, out as 5 times 2 cos x is 10 cos x, in there, so you get another 10 cos x, and last then you get 4 cos squared x, okay, dx. Alright, because 2 cos x times 2 cos x is 4 cos squared x. This then, let's just tidy this up a little bit. 20 cos x plus 4 cos squared x dx. Okay, so there's your result. Now you've got to integrate each of these terms separately, and this can come up, right? Question like this, where you've got 3 different things altogether. Obviously, this cos squared x here, this is where you've got to do a bit more work, right? And you need to remember cos squared x, in order to integrate, you've got to use the double angle rules, okay? So, by the side here, you need to do what we did sort of earlier on. You need to find some space where basically, you work out that thing again, right? Because I don't remember the result for cos squared x, right? All I remember is this. So then I rewrite this then as cos squared x minus then 1 minus cos squared x. This is 1 minus 2 sine 2 cos. What am I doing? That becomes 2 cos squared x minus 1. Yeah, that's what cos 2x becomes. So then cos squared x will become 1/2 cos 2x plus 1. Right? Okay, so that's what that's what I do here to work this out. So then substitute that in. You've got 25 plus 20 cos x. 4 cos squared x, well we know cos squared x is this, you've got to times this by 4, so if we times that by 4, 4 times 1/2 is 2, so it becomes 2 dx, right? So you've got all that. Now perhaps what I would do now is, again, simplify before I integrate. So you've got 25 there, when you multiply that bracket you'll have another 2, so that's 27 plus 20 cos x plus 2 cos 2x dx. Let's integrate pi. 27 becomes 27x. Cos x, when you integrate it, becomes sine x, so that's 20 sine x. And then cos 2x, when you integrate it, becomes sine 2x over 2. So the 2's then will end up cancelling, so you end up having sine 2x, right? Between pi by 4 and 0. So then it's the case of just chucking that in. So pi, 27 pi by 4, plus 20 sine pi by 4 plus sine, then pi by 4 in there becomes pi by 2. Take away then pi, well then 27 times 0 plus 20 sine 0 plus sine 0. Well, all of that's going to become 0, isn't it? Because sine 0 is 0, so that all goes. That's nice. So it asks for the nearest whole, so we'll have a look at this now. So we'll do make sure it's in radian mode. So we've got 27 pi by 4 plus 20 sine pi by 4 plus then sine pi by 2. So you get that, times it then by pi, don't forget the pi on the outside. We get the nearest integer then be 114.